Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail bringing to you the news and events in Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Meghalaya Health Minister ALHEC distribute food items to residents of Pinthor Umkra constituency. Laban Mauprem MDC Mitchell Wankar distribute food items to resident of Laban locality in Shillong. And Hope distribute food items to 150 hawkers and street vendors of Shillong. And now the news in detail. Meghalaya Health Minister ALHEC, who also represent the Pinthor Umkra Assembly constituency, today distributed food items to the families of his constituency. He also did that same thing to the residents of RR Colony of Rinja locality. The distribution of food items to these residents is to help them, as large number of them are unable to earn their livelihood due to the lockdown in the state. Speaking to the media, the residents who received lauded the effort of the minister to come to their rescue when they are being hard-pressed by poverty. They termed the minister's action as very good.
हाँ समन मिला है हम तो करा लेने बैठता है हर साल इधर ही मिलता है मंत्री अच्छा है बहुत अच्छा है आदमी मदद करता सहायता करता खाना देता बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद बहुत बहुत लाख लाख शुक्र है बहुत अच्छी है ये लोग बहुत धन्यवाद धन्य राजा
हमको मिला है सब कुछ हम लोग को दिया साल में भी दिया ये हम लोग का इलेक्शन दिया साल में भी दिया ये साल में भी दिया हम लोग को बहुत ये करता है हम लोग का कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी का नहीं है फिर भी हम लोग को मदद करता है बहुत अच्छा आदमी.
The member of Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, Mitchell Wankar, who represents the Laban Mauprem constituency, today distributed food items to a large number of residents belonging to 3 localities of Laban locality in Shillong. These food items were given to the people belonging to weaker sections of the society. Speaking to the media, Mitchell Wankar informed that the food items were spent from his own salary as these people are fighting against the coronavirus. It is my duty to help the people of my constituency so that they may not face the problem of hunger, Wankar added.
Hadian ba ngalai fast food kumto nakaliang juga distribution ngirayo ban ajing ngarap fast food karena hadian bakalawan ka fast food kampat day kata kaba kabada parking di pajba lang baki pajba sisa ki kerdo raya kani ka kelwe di pajba la kerdo but ni isha ba asam ji ba ban ni ya le ya ban ni le persia ban covid-19 para ngimlahi ba ngin parking ya kalit kawan ya ka try gakta kumba ka sarkar kalale te aba ka sarkar kaladet le kumde bede ibun kilong yang kiba umdan kamju ha ba kitu ki long yang kiba kamay men step bam dan mi kalakta sisa te abang ngalai kum unong mikmat te ngamsem la sisang klikti ngalai persang hi bani kendo berki babon ki nong yalam ki sang dalang ki sang samla senang betit ya ji do senang bat ya batayang ababon bang jilong gi yang kiba hadu ba kalawan ke ji bakrau wat hadu ba nyok bang tedai kata ba pelong yang ba ngan hap bani yang wat la ya diru how last year how September ngala yo positif ngasa hospital hadu artayo Nazareth cerai yang bansi hakum gani kapor banmi nomor ubabun balang uduk usok uthap udap udon kan ya jingarap jang bat ngasngo ba lada ka jinglong MDC jang ngerap kum gani kapor te banirap akipor ki bala kulut ki ba ka perkai kala biang bat ipajba layo balis kay kam gaduk te kam dan ka jing mentoy te itai dei jing semua personal jang te nga sukit ba karyang ni ya ki pajba jang ka konsulsi jang ni bat ya ka bri ko trap hibro hoy ba ka perkai kanang bahana ingat na ni pnyang bintang bat kay bro hot kinong kumod kinong barabo kalong yeng hi ka menta ka bangin ada pan ay hadu menta bat ka bangin ay menta ka si kan palat ya ka arajar long iya tang hapo ka konsulsi jang halaban kan palat ya arajar iya te kidan pergi isunong kibala ya ibala kontak ya lai phone nga sinong hanong kadong kibam dei na konsulsi jang ya kita ru haka level ke jang kat bangala hagini kisni salit iban ajing rat kita canong kadong ngi kum MDC ka fund kalong very limited yamdan hi fund kiba ngila ban ay kum ni pajba ibabu ki babon hi i fund ki bangi ay ki dei tang na kabanta ibang yo nak central scheme aga bangin ai developmental work te andrei macam-macam ni don bok lihat ba ngina yo ban ban island nak benta kan ka jingarap nak benta kan ka covid 19 karena mentau namru baka jing prehistorm jong UCM ru ngila e persang ba ngini pan biang bangin yo ya kata ka fan na benta ban pendam kam bangin sam yo pajba te hadu menta ya kata ka fan pingin pat yo te ngini persang bala ban yo nang babarok ini don bentalem ha ka ba nginduk la ba infek di bentuk insuk aku ngini po.
And organization of Friends named Hope today distributed food items to 150 hawkers and street vendors of Shillong. The food items were distributed at Garukhana Point and Motpran. The new organization came forward to help these hawkers because large number of them are facing unbearable hardship as they are no longer in a position to feed their children as they have been rendered jobless due to imposition of lockdown in the state.
Dari itang sa circle of friends na nagkamuhon ng katong blog bagi pembuat ka WhatsApp group kadang po rin kadang ganyan komportat ka ba gusto akong nga help nga tuwan doon yung club kadang po ka dan bentalang nanganta ganyo bandai ng party musim diba lang ni kilonging diba dan kadang jok pemuna punta nilaylong lang ngayon nga ang pungtam ni blog ban le ini ikam banyo bansam di samadan kam matkalari wala da nimyo e ban sikili rai e babuni kedi nang takin song madan e sugar akilai ya ki perlok ti baya dan bertalang ketika kam lain kukui ki kilongin di buyo ni nyerap siganong kala ban sibeta silong tak sendiak rai ini tanong di kuku negara iki kam bunti borong-borong ni ay sublay pagka kan mangyay tulong yung ibangin ng dan di jumut tak bakam si bangin dinisi pat bangin ng la kasi jo por ban tentu tengkam namin tulong ni let's say bun balay ay bilang balay let hati individual level jongki atau group level bising halang wat ka sarkar dai punya mi sepa ini dekat ta dari jumut em ba dan di
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.